Hi guys, your Punjabi chef is back to spice up your day. In today's recipe, I'm gonna do a combination of both sweet and spicy. For that, I'm gonna use bell pepper and chilies. So let's start cooking. To begin with, first we'll switch on the gas, add oil, and now we'll add the khada masala, which we call the whole spices. First cumin, then 2 to 3 cardamom, few pieces of cloves, 2 pieces of cinnamon stick, half a teaspoon whole black pepper, 1 bay leaf. As the cumin starts crackling, now we'll add chopped ginger and garlic. With that, at the same time, we're going to add 2 chopped onions. And I'm going to saute the onion till it gets nice golden brown. I'll put the onion on low flame so that it gets cooked nicely and it doesn't burn. And by that time, we'll cut the chicken. For this dish especially, I'm using chicken leg boneless, and you can also substitute it with lamb cubes. My onion has gone golden brown. Now I'll put the chicken which I have cut. Now I'm going to add teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to saute it a little bit. By the time the chicken gets cooked, let's cut our bell peppers. For the bell peppers, first I'm going to cut the yellow. Open the head. Then cut it into 4 parts and then remove the excess. And now we'll start off cutting them in small cubes. Remember, the size of the bell pepper cubes should be equivalent to the size of the chicken cubes. Now I'll take the red bell pepper, take a slice in the center and just start rolling. Now I'll take the final pepper, that is the green one, and they are done. Green capsicum, red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. Now I'm going to add bell peppers to the chicken. First green capsicum, then red bell pepper, then yellow bell pepper. After adding bell peppers, I'm going to toss it a little bit, but I don't want my bell peppers to cook completely. I want it to be nice and chunky when the dish is ready. Now I'm going to put all the masalas. First I'm going to add red chili powder. With that, I'm going to put yellow chili powder. After that, I'm going to add garam masala. And next, I'm going to add coriander powder and black pepper cumin powder. And last, salt. Now I'm going to mix all the masalas together with the chicken and cook till the rawness of the masalas goes away. There is something still left to be added in the chicken, chilies. First I'm adding the red chili in the chicken, and next the green chilies. And now I'm going to add little twist to the dish by adding fresh chopped basil. We chop basil only once because basil is a very delicate herb and it loses its color when chopped vigorously. I'll mix up the chilies and the basil with the chicken. Let me tell you a secret that this dish is a Punjabi version of chili chicken. My chicken dish is almost ready. You can have it in 2 variations. First, the dry variation, the way it is prepared right now. And second variation, when the chicken is little semi-dry by adding little water to it. And cook it for just few minutes and our dish will be ready. Let's give a nice final toss. And now we'll do the plating. And garnish with fresh coriander. And our mirchiyon wala murg is now ready. I hope you enjoyed my spicy mirchiyon wala murg. Do share your love in the comment section below. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Till then, take good care, eat well, and goodbye.